Hi friends, good afternoon. My name is Achyut and I'm from Vizag. So today in this class we will discuss about a date occurring option in highlight cell rules, right? So let's not waste the time. Let's get into the class. So as you see, this is my data, right? So in this there will be name column, type 1 column, birthday column and the year column, right? So in this you have to select this birthday column, right? So just drag like this, right? Then go to the conditional formatting, highlight cell rules, and a date occurring option here, right? See here, we are having yesterday, right? So wherever you are having the yesterday's date, July 14th, 2024, then that text will be highlighted, right? If I change this color to the green fill with dark green text and click on OK, see the yesterday's date is highlighted, right? And I will select like this again and go to the conditional formatting and go to the date occurring option here and go to the today option here, right? Whenever you find, like wherever you find the today's date in that data, that text will be highlighted with this yellow, right? See here, today's date is July 15th, right? So that text will be highlighted, right? And I will select like this again and go to the conditional formatting, right? And here I will click on next month, right? Next month. So wherever you find next month dates, that text will be highlighted with this red text, right? So in this way, we can use this a date occurring option in highlight cell rules, right? I hope you understand. And if you have any doubts in this class, just please comment in the chat. I will definitely help you out. And if you think this video is helpful for you, then please like the video and please share this video to your friends and family members so that they can be benefited from this video. And please do subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. Then only you'll get the notification whenever I upload videos in the YouTube, or otherwise you will not get the notification. Thank you friends. Jai Hind.